Welcome. In front of me I've got OMODA 5 EV. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. Follow me to learn how to manage your car better. OMODA 5 EV, as every latest car imported from China to Europe or US, is loaded with plenty of comfort features in just one trim. In comparison to competitors, for low price you can find tech that is seen only in premium trims in competitors. Follow me to learn how to manage everything. While we are here on the outside, let's start with the key fob functions. Firstly, thanks to the key fob, you can lower and raise windows and also open sunroof. You can open the trunk and also close it. And in the end, you can activate preheating or preconditioning that can be set up in the car's system. Thanks to this function, you can preheat your car and the batteries so it will last longer and the car will be warm or cool when you enter it. Let's enter the car. OMODA 5 EV is equipped with easy access function. In this case, it's called approach lock and unlock. When the car detects key fob, it will automatically unlock the doors. But when we walk away, the car will automatically close the doors. Let's enter the car. Let's start from the left side and end on the right side of the car. Firstly, we've got electric mirrors adjustment and electric mirrors folding. We can find also electric doors lock and unlock. Car is equipped with automatic lights and also high beam assistant. On the steering wheel we can find steering assist, cruise control, speed limiter and also voice assistant, thanks to which we can even open the windows. Take a look.
You can tell me.
Open the window.
Sorry, please power on or start the car.
Open the window.
Okay.
Close the window.
Okay.
On instrument cluster, we can change recuperation level, thanks to which battery recovery will be higher. We can find road sign assistant, speed and power consumption. Also here we can find all assistant activated currently. Next, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change drive mode between normal, sport and eco.
Eco mode. Normal mode. Sport mode.
And we've got quick controls for the AC. The car is equipped with the plenty of drawers we can find. And here, for example, we can find the cooler. When the AC is enabled, you can twist this knob to allow cold air to enter here. On the top of the control center, we've got two cup holders and also wireless charging tray for our smartphones. Remember, to use wireless charging tray, you have to enable it on the car's system. Under the central console, we can also find power outlet, airbag switch and two USB ports. USB ports are also located on the back. Now, take a look at the screen display. If we go to climate control panel, we can find AC, front windshield defroster and rapid cooling and rapid warming. Here you can also enable steering wheel heating and PET climate control mode. Then we can go to seats. Driver and passenger front seat have. Driver and passenger front seat has seat heating and also seat ventilation. OMODA 5 EV is also equipped with the rear seat heating. In settings we can set up automatic cabin ventilation and air cleaning. Let's go to main menu. Now enter menu and go to vehicle settings. Here you can set up smart key like approach lock and unlock, welcome when approaching, and turn on smart key sensing tailgate. You can set up driver assistance, adjust headlight height and enable headlight delay. In ambient light you can change ambient lighting brightness, color, you can sync it to music and link to driving mode. Then you can enable HUD and also adjust it like brightness and position. In vehicle comfort you can enable child presence detection and adjust side rearview mirrors via key fob via steering wheel buttons. OMODA 5 EV is also equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, video mode and multiple cameras like 3D camera, around view camera, front rear camera and side cameras. You can also check view from the hood and boot. If in your home you've got the AC charger you can connect to your car, you can schedule the charging. In order to do it, let's go to New Energy, Charge Settings, Charging Management and select Charging Schedule. Here you can set up days and hours of charging. Your car will automatically charge at the selected hour when this function is enabled. But if you don't have AC charger and you have to charge your car, you can quickly find charging station via navigation. In order to do it, let's go to navigation and press charging station button. Here you can find all charging stations in your area. Another fun thing about the navigation, you can find your exact range. This function will show you where can you go on your current charge. The map is similar to Google Maps with easy access, POIs and favorite locations. As you can see, OMODA 5 EV is rich in the comfort features. Apart from everything we just saw, you can also adjust your seats via electric panel and in some trims even you can use seat massager. Let us know in the comments if you like this car, if you would bought it and if the comfort features are enough for you. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.